Hi everyone, this is Olivia. I am a level 4 health teacher in the evening at Carlos Rosario. So if you don't know me, hi, and then to my students, welcome. Um, this is a video to show you how to log in to my English lab. There are some things on the video that are specific for my students, but I will tell you that. Okay, so MyEnglishLab is a website that can help you practice your English. So it's a website, so we need to open the internet. That is Google Chrome or Firefox. I like Chrome, I'm going to go with Chrome. So a really easy way to go to MyEnglishLab if you can't log into Schoology, if you don't have a link from your teacher, if you forgot, whatever. You can just type in the browser bar up here, MyEnglishLab, so MyEnglishLab.com. No spaces. You actually shouldn't put spaces when you're typing in a website address. It doesn't work. And no capital letters, but it doesn't matter. You actually don't need capital letters for a lot of websites. So go to myenglishLab.com. For my class, you are all returning users because I already made an account for you. For other students, that is probably the case too, but check with your teacher. So you're going to go to returning user and then sign in. Click sign in. Okay, so this information is specifically for my class. So for my class, your username is going to be your first name and then the last 6 numbers of your student ID number. This is an example. It is not at cr.carlosrosario.org. Do not include that part. That is not your username. So it's just the part before at cr.carlosrosario.org. Your password for my class is going to be level 4 2020. So see, it's capital L. The rest of the letters are lowercase. Number 4 2020. Again, that is for my class, level 4 health in the evening. Okay. This isn't my real information. I'm just giving you an example. So I'm going to show you now. In general, you don't want to show your password. I was just doing that as an example. So click sign in when you are finished signing or typing in your information. And then you will come to the products page. For your class, your assignments are going to be on MyEnglishLab. MyEnglishLab. So click on this one that says MyEnglishLab at the top. It also says MEL for MyEnglishLab here. And then it has a box that says Future 3. Future 3. So click it. Then it should bring you to your class. This tab, Course, is where you can do some activities for practice, just for practice. Your teacher will not be able to see the results here of what the activities you do. The activities they will see results for are in assignments. So when you click on assignments, you will see activities that your teacher assigned. So I have 2 activities. I can see the number of attempts remaining. For my class, I usually give you 2 or 3. So that means you can do it 2 or 3 times. To do the activity, you just click open, complete the activity, and then you click submit at the end. It also tells you when an activity is due, that is when you need to finish it by. So for these activities, it's October 6th. Okay, so that's how you sign in from the internet. I recommend making MyEnglishLab something like a bookmark. I have it here, or you could put it as a shortcut on your desktop. I'd be happy to help my students with those. Okay, now for my class, I wanted to show you another way to get to MyEnglishLab. So we also have a way to get to MyEnglishLab from Schoology in my class. So log into Schoology, make sure you click Our Class, ESL for Health, Eve, HOB for my class. Okay. And then the link for MyEnglishLab is down at the bottom here, below quizzes. So click. Okay, you'll see it appears in the window here in Schoology. So you're going to type your information. Then click sign in. Now, if this happens that it doesn't take you to the next window automatically, I know it's kind of annoying, but whenever a website doesn't work within Schoology, you can always click on the name or this little box with the arrow, and that will take you to the same website just outside of Schoology. It's the same thing though. I was already signed in, so I'm still in the same place. So again, you would just type your username and your password to sign in. Okay, so that's how you get to MyEnglishLab on Schoology. Then for my class, I also posted some resources to help you with MyEnglishLab if you need help. So to find it, you go to our technology help folder, the yellow folder, it's below assignments, click it. And then it is in the folder that it says MyEnglishLab help, MyEnglishLab help. Okay, so what we have here, these three things, the how-to things are videos. So how to use these parts of MyEnglishLab. Oh, it loaded in the window. So you would just click and watch. Okay. There's also a document to kind of guide you through MyEnglishLab. If you can't see it, let me know. It should be available to all students. So there are some steps there. Might also answer your questions. Okay, so that is an introduction to using MyEnglishLab. Good luck, guys. See you soon.